Hello and welcome to How Logical. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create a TikTok account for yourself. So let's go ahead and start the video. First and foremost, if you don't have TikTok on your phone, just go ahead and install it from the Play Store. Now, what you need to do is tap on Profile on the bottom right hand corner and you can see the sign up option on the bottom. Go ahead and tap on sign up. You can see there are some ways to sign up to a TikTok account, like using your phone number, your email address, your Facebook or your Google account. The easiest one is with Google account, but if you want to sign up for TikTok using your phone number, your email address or Facebook, you can do that as well. For now, I'm going to give you an example by signing up with my Google account. I'll just go ahead and tap on continue with Google. After I do that, I'm going to select my Google account. Wait for a while and your TikTok account will be created. So you can see that now your TikTok account has been created. What you need to do is follow these rules and just go ahead and set up your profile. So you can go to edit profile and you can go to name and you can set up your new name. You can change your username, you can add bios and links. And this way you can easily create a TikTok account for free. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.